Hello everyone! I'm going to introduce you to a new system for writing digitally on paper designed by Moleskine. It's called the Moleskine Smart Writing Set, and it's made up by the Moleskine Pen Plus and a paper tablet. Guess why paper tablet? Look at the shape of this notebook. It's like a tablet, but it's made of paper. So you combine the physical pleasure of using ink and paper with the advantages of digital, sharing, editing, browsing. But let's start with the pen. Moleskine Pen Plus comes with a charger, one extra pen tip, a user guide, and the Moleskine paper tablet. You'll need to charge the pen for at least 30 minutes before you start using it. While you're waiting for the pen to charge, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the pen is charged, you can turn it on by either pressing the power button or simply by starting to write. The pen will sense your writing and will switch itself on automatically. When you need to turn it off, press the power button until the LED light turns off, or stop using it for a while. Now, let's open the app so you can register your pen. Allow the app to turn on your Bluetooth function if it isn't already. Follow the steps on the app so that it can recognize your pen. You can enter a password straight away if you want. If not, you can always enter one later on in the settings area. And that's all it takes. Reach out for your paper tablet. Skip to the third page and let your ideas flow. As you write, a new notebook will appear and open up on the app. So how does it work? Pen Plus has an infrared camera that recognizes the paper tablet. Holding the camera so it faces the page you're writing on assures the best writing recognition. The pen understands what page you're writing on and from which paper tablet, so you can write freely without worrying about archiving. There are many things you can do once your writing is digitized. Enjoy your notes both in handwritten and digital form, without having to type them. You can also search the contents of your handwritten notes once they're in your app. Tag your pages to organize and search your notes easily. Previously used tags will be saved automatically and will show as in the drop-down menu when you add new tags to your pages. Press Voice button to record your voice or any other sound. It will only work when Pen Plus is paired with the app. Start writing on the notebook and record. Smart writing. It will be especially helpful when you are taking note on your lecture or in a meeting. If you want to listen to it again, press Replay button. For stroke record, you can only check your flow of writing on the page and press ×1 button to fasten the replay speed. And for voice record, you can listen to your voice recording. Smart writing. If you are taking notes during an important meeting, the app allows you to share them with all the people you chose in various file formats. You'll have many different sharing options based on the device you're working with. You can also erase unnecessary notes and highlight important ones with colors. You can change the text thickness and color by using the paint drop icon, and add annotations digitally. Remember to not write on your paper tablet while the pen is disconnected, as it won't register your changes. If you're on the go and need a faster option, once you have written what you want to email, simply check on the mail icon on your notebook to send an email from your phone. And if you don't have your phone with you, Pen Plus will still save your writing data to its internal memory. So that when you connect to your application again, you'll find all your work in perfect shape. Don't worry if your notes aren't in order. Delete pages or copy and paste notes to other notebooks to organize your work. You can also create notebooks on the application and fill them with specific pages you want. The main menu is where you can find all the notebooks you're actively using. Search your work, change settings, and get assistance. Make sure your pen is connected before you change any of the pen settings. Lock away notebooks when you're done using them, or if you decide to use another notebook identical to the one you've just finished. This prevents your notes from overlapping in the application. All your locked notebooks are saved to your notebox and can be locked again whenever you choose to. You can also upload or download your notebooks with your Google Drive. All you have to do is go to Pen Settings and activate your Google Drive. Once they're on your drive, you can download them to any other preferred device. If you can't remember where and when you wrote something on paper, just search your notes on NeoNotes by tag, content, or browse through the activity view. Pen Plus has been designed to feel just like any other pen, up to the point that it uses standard ink refills. Just pull and push here to change the refill. Any D1 standard ones will work. Find out more at moleskine.com/smartwritingset.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available in many office supply stores and Amazon.com. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.